Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rosel Juanico, 29 years old, married. I have 3 children. I am college level undergraduate. I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 2 years. I am a babysitter of 6 months old girl and 10 years old boy. I also do washing clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and gardening. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I'll do my responsibilities with love and dedication. I hope I will be part of your family, and I will treat your family as my own family. I am a happy person. I am motivated, honest, and hardworking. Thank you so much.